Welcome to the maintenance video of KDD series Bear Pump. Tools required. Take the M20 Allen key socket and ratchet to unscrew main 8 cap screw in cross manner gently. Firstly, loosen the all cap screw in cross manner. Then remove 2 cap screws completely of the opposite side from pump head. And install 2 studs into top corner place of screw for the safety purpose. Then remove all other cap screws. Using screwdriver and rubber hammer, separate pump head from carrier. After that, slightly pull out the pump head using screwdriver. Adjust the lifting belt under the cap screws of both sides in such a way that using crane, the pump head can be lifted. Lift the pump head and place it on a flat surface. Use lifting belts and crane to lift pump head because the weight of pump head is near to the 100 kg. Now pull out carrier. Take out 2 studs which are installed for safety purpose to start dismantling stuffing box assembly from the crankcase. Loose the plunger using adjustable wrench. While loosening plunger, take care that adjustable wrench should not hit another plunger or crosshead, otherwise it can cause damage it. After completely unscrew plunger, slightly rotate the shaft using adjustable wrench and check plunger got separated from crosshead. If it found separated, then rotate shaft again and pull out a stuffing box from the crankcase and take out stuffing box assembly from crankcase. Likewise, remove all other stuffing box assembly. To remove oil seal cover, we need strap having holes on its sides and 6 mm bolt. To remove oil seal cover from crankcase, take Allen key and remove 8 mm grub screw from top side. Now take a strap and install it on oil seal cover using 6 mm bolts. Slightly tight screws manually. Then rotate the shaft to remove oil seal cover from the crankcase with the help of adjustable wrench. Take out oil seal cover from the crankcase. This is an oil seal and this is O-ring. Now remove oil seal from oil seal cover using a screwdriver. Inspect oil seal. If they found damaged, replace them with new one. Remove O-ring from oil seal cover using a pick. Inspect O-ring. If they found damaged, replace them with new one. Apply grease on inner surface of oil seal cover. Also apply grease on outer surface of oil seal. Now to install oil seal into oil seal cover, place flat surface of oil seal facing downward. Push and fix oil seal into oil seal cover using oil seal pusher and rubber hammer. Now assemble O-ring on the outer periphery of oil seal cover and apply grease on it. Now place oil seal cover into the crankcase. Make sure the hole of grub screw of oil seal cover will facing upward. Make sure the hole of grub screw of oil seal cover will facing upward. Take oil seal pusher, place it near to the oil seal cover. With help of this oil seal pusher, assemble oil seal cover into crankcase. Tight the grub screw using Allen key. First of all, remove suction valve and helical spring from stuffing box. Take nylon rod and place it on opposite of plunger and push it by hammer to remove plunger. Remove POM gasket using screwdriver. Now, remove the pressure packing retaining ring manually. Now using nylon rod and rubber hammer, push support ring from the opposite side and remove inner support rings, back ring for inner support ring and plunger seal, back ring for inner support ring, inner support ring, plunger seal and second inner support ring. Check surfaces of back ring for inner support ring, inner support rings and plunger seal. It should wear out or not. If any wear and tear found, replace it with a new one. Take a pick and remove O-ring from stuffing box cover. After that, take circlip plier to remove circlip from the stuffing box cover. After that, remove scraper ring from stuffing box cover. Then remove the low pressure seal and low pressure seal gasket using pick or by hand if possible. Check the surface of stuffing box should be proper. It should not be any damage. Let's start stuffing box assembly. Firstly, assemble O-rings on outer periphery of stuffing box and apply grease on it. Now assemble low pressure seal gasket inside stuffing box cover. After that, assemble low pressure seal inside stuffing box cover. During placing of low pressure seal, its rough surface face towards to the stuffing box surface. After that, assembly scraper ring inside stuffing box cover. Make sure that flat surface of scraper ring face towards to the low pressure seal. Gently push it using nylon bar and place it on its position. Then assemble circlip using circlip plier and make sure it will fitted in its groove. After that, assemble back ring for inner support ring. First inner support ring, plunger seal and second inner support ring respectively inside stuffing box with the help of nylon rod. Then assemble pressure packing retaining ring in such a manner that portion which having 4 holes on its periphery will face downward. Apply grease on inner surface of pressure packing retaining ring on surface of plunger. Then assemble plunger from opposite side into the stuffing box. Now start disassemble discharge valve assembly with removing POM gasket using pick. After that, remove suction and discharge valve seat manually using nylon rod. Push nylon rod in such a way that it should not damage. Remove POM gasket using pick. After that, check the surface of valve seat. After that, gently remove the discharge valve without damaging its surface and then remove helical spring. Now assemble POM gasket using nylon rod and rubber hammer. Assemble helical spring and discharge valve. Check. It should be properly set on its position. Assemble suction and discharge valve assembly in such a manner that its surface having hole face away from pump head. Push it with rubber hammer and tight it. After that, assemble POM gasket. Apply grease on inner surface of crankcase. Place wipe on its position. Apply grease on surface stuffing box. Hole of stuffing box should remain upward. Push stuffing box using rubber hammer until it will place on its position properly. Gently push plunger using nylon rod to fix it on its proper position. Take adjustable wrench and tight plunger inside crosshead. Simultaneously keep pushing towards crosshead. Tight plunger properly. Now assemble POM gasket inside groove using a rubber hammer. Same as assemble POM gasket in remaining other. Then assemble suction valve and helical spring manually. Apply grease on stuffing box surface. Assemble carrier gently. Now take two studs and install one stud into top side corner hole. Then install second stud into opposite side bottom corner of first stud. Place the pump head with the direction of stud using lifting belts and crane. After placing pump head on its position properly, take over the lifting belts. Now install 6 M20 by 300 cap screws into empty holes in diagonal pattern. Slightly tight them in diagonal pattern using Allen key socket. Tight them until they pass through carrier and hold it with crankcase. Now tight M20 cap screws in two stages. In first stage, tight 4 corner cap screws up to 200 Newton meter in diagonal pattern. Then tight remaining cap screws up to 200 Newton meter. Now in second stage, tight all cap screws up to 280 Newton meter diagonally.